Welcome back to Cheeseburgers of the World. I'm Joe Friday, and today we are going to explore a burger from Denmark, the Bofsandwich. Bof means beef, and of course, we know what sandwich means. Let's get to this. I want to get this beef on ASAP because this Bofsandwich burger, I don't know why they call it sandwich, right? That's a cool name. This is a really cool burger that you can find in Denmark and all over the place. But it's mainly commonly sold in hot dog stands and snack bars. Isn't that something? In America, we're really known for our Salisbury steaks. That comes from a place really close to Denmark, and we might visit that later down the road. Let's get these patties on, nice and early. A little salt on that bad boy. They look good. They look really, really good. So we're gonna start a gravy here. Want to get that gravy going. As well, we're gonna make a remoulade. There's a lot of ingredients that goes into this burger, so you gotta make sure you get them all right. When you got your lemons, you wanna squeeze them or roll them like this, because what that does is loosen up the tendons in there and makes all the juice squeeze out nice and easy. So I want to get this started, my remoulade, with a nice squeeze of lemon. All you need is one. Toss in some pickles. A remoulade is basically an aioli, but it has like, it's fancy, the French conversation here is a bit fancy. Adding all these type of ingredients to it. You can add garlic powder, whole garlic, onion. I'm just gonna do a simple remoulade where I got some pickles, lemon juice, and mayo. Yeah, you can add as much as you want to. You can make your own mayo, which could make this burger stand out a lot. I want to whisk this up, get that remoulade going. This is gonna go on this sandwich. So this sandwich is a quite extravagant, like marble. When you see it, you're gonna be like, whoa, incredible. So that's the remoulade. I'm gonna put that on the sandwich a little later. I got my butter melted, so let's get this flour in there. Thank you, Nathan. Appreciate it, buddy. He's just telling me how long I got. I ain't got a lot of time. I gotta cook this thing fast for you guys, and for me, because I'm the one who's gonna eat it. I'm super incredibly ecstatic about eating this burger. So with this roux right here, I wanna make a brown roux. Right now it's a bit blonde. Remember, safety tip, guys, the handle always pointed away from you, because if you walk in the kitchen and you slide, it can fall on the floor and somebody can get hurt. When you're cooking, always cook safe. Okay, get some heat on this bad boy. Those burgers are cooking perfectly for me. In the meantime, while that's still heating up, I'm gonna add a little bit of love to this grill. And I'm not gonna burn these buns. Last season, I noticed I put a little char on them because I was telling you to give it to a buddy of yours that you didn't like at the barbecue. That was mean. You should like everybody. Anyways, get in here, get this roux going, and let's talk about this. Dolly Parton, how about her? Amazing, amazing. Jolene, one of my favorite songs. Dolly Parton's incredible. I know she loves burgers. I know it. I just gotta believe it. Okay, you wanna get your gravy in there, get your gravy working. Also a little Worcestershire. That's not a little bit, that's a lot. I got a little bit happy with that, huh? So I'm gonna get this going. It's gonna take a while. There we go. While that's going, I'm gonna flip these burgers. Now look at that. Oh man, I get excited every time I cook a burger. It doesn't even matter what kind it is. I'm incredibly excited that I haven't tasted this burger before and that we're gonna experience it together. Nice squeeze on them. You don't have to squeeze them too much. Now let's go back to this gravy. This is the key thing to this burger. You wanna get this nice and beautiful. Yeah. And while those are cooking, you want to take your top bun, place it on top, Bottom bun there, and another top one there. You're gonna add some steam to it. Make this burger a bit wet. You're gonna get this gravy nice and thin. Break up all these pieces in here. Taste while you're cooking. Always, all that gravy is slamming. Okay, so there we go. These are almost done. So you see what I did there? I moved it from here to here because this area is hotter. This area is cooled down because the beef's been there for a while. And listen to the sizzle. It's just hotter. It works perfectly. Now, the remoulade. We want to get that on the burger. Now, this burger is a messy burger, folks. It's a messy burger. You can add that there, a little Dijon, but this is just regular, that regular hot dog, ballpark mustard. The gravy is just about complete. Get it in there. Yeah. Okay. My burger. Oh man. Talk about something new here. This is what this is. There we go. There we go. Let's get these going. I'm gonna make a mess with it. This one's for you. Get this right here. There we go. Here we go. The fun part, folks. Take this gravy, pour it right on top. Look at that. And then one for me, right on top. Oh man. Hope you're excited like me. And then you gotta just like, get in there, yeah! All the onions you possibly can make. Now, fork and a knife. Let's get in there. Oh man. You ever get eager like me just when you're ready to eat this burger? Get all the bites in. Hot dog. I did it again. There you have it, the Buff Sandwich. This is Cheeseburgers of the World. I'm Joe Friday. Join me next time while we continue our burger journey across the globe.